Did you know in Switzerland, it's illegal to own just one guinea pig? If you are a pet owner in Zurich or Geneva and your guinea pig's partner passes away, you aren't just a grieving owner. You are technically a lawbreaker. But why? Why would a nation known for its pragmatism dedicate federal resources to the social lives of rodents? The answer isn't just about cuteness, it's about a radical understanding of what it means to be alive. In 2008, Switzerland overhauled its animal welfare laws. They introduced a concept called social dignity. It mandates that social animals, species that live in groups in the wild, must be kept with at least one other member of their own kind. This includes parrots, goldfish, and even sheep. But guinea pigs became the face of the movement. In the wild, guinea pigs live in colonies of 10 or more. They have a complex language of weeks, rumbles, and popcorning jumps. When kept alone, these animals don't just get bored. They experience a physiological shutdown. Their cortisol levels spike, their immune systems weaken, and they eventually stop communicating entirely. They effectively enter a state of clinical depression. This law created a unique mathematical problem for owners. If you have 2 guinea pigs, one will eventually die. To stay legal, you have to buy another, but then that one will eventually be left alone. It's an endless cycle of replacement. Priska Kung runs an agency specifically for widowed guinea pigs. She provides a rental service. You can rent a companion for your surviving pet. When your original pet eventually passes away, you return the rental to the sanctuary to live out its days with its own kind. It is a business model built entirely on empathy. It ensures that no animal has to spend its final days in silence. This might seem like extreme legislation to some, but it forces us to ask a difficult question. Do we own our pets, or are we their guardians? Western society is currently facing what many experts call a loneliness epidemic among humans. We are more connected digitally than ever, yet more isolated physically. The Swiss law reminds us that social connection isn't a luxury, it is a biological requirement for survival. Whether it's a guinea pig in a cage or a human in a high-rise apartment, the sound of a voice that understands yours is the difference between existing and truly living. If you're considering bringing a social animal into your home, be it a bird, a rabbit, or a guinea pig, don't just think about the food in the cage, think about their heart. Never adopt just one. If you can't afford or care for 2, consider a different species that enjoys solitude, like a Syrian hamster. Respect the social frequency of the life you're taking in, because at the end of the day, we all deserve someone who speaks our language. If this story changed the way you look at your pets, let me know in the comments. Follow for more.